Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make lobster pasta sauce. First, gather your fresh ingredients for the best flavor. We will walk through preparing the lobster, building a robust sauce base, and combining everything for a truly luxurious meal. This recipe is designed to be straightforward, ensuring you can enjoy a gourmet experience right in your own kitchen. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this incredible dish. To begin, select high-quality lobster, about 1½ pounds, ensuring it is fresh for the best results. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of good olive oil and 4 cloves of finely minced garlic to build the aromatic foundation. A cup of dry white wine, like a Pinot Grigio, adds depth, and a 14.5-ounce can of crushed tomatoes forms the heart of our sauce. Don't forget fresh basil and parsley for garnish. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add your minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until it becomes fragrant, but do not let it brown. Next, pour in 1 cup of dry white wine, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom of the pan, and reduce the liquid by 1/2. Stir in the 14.5 ounces of crushed tomatoes and a pinch of red pepper flakes, then simmer for 15 minutes. Once your sauce has simmered, gently fold in the cooked lobster meat, heating it through for just a few minutes to prevent overcooking. Toss the rich sauce with your favorite pasta, like linguine or fettuccine, ensuring every strand is coated. Garnish with fresh parsley and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese for an exquisite finish. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy this luxurious lobster pasta sauce.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.